Wore out, ladies and gentlemen. Been up for, I don't know.
24 hours.
How long you been? Egypt, how long?
24 hours.
Been up 24 hours. Slept only 2 hours out of 24 hours. So I'm tired, man. I'm not waiting everybody to come for sound check. Can't wait to get sound check over so I can go to sleep. Oh, man. Sound check time, y'all. Call Mike. What's up, Mark?
Nothing, man. I'm tired. I want to go to sleep, but another night of work. I ain't getting to sleep.
How long you been up?
48 hours and counting.
I told y'all. Been up a long time. I can't talk for him sometimes. Play right there.
Not tired.
You're not tired, Dre?
Not tired. You ride with us? I ain't gonna tell nobody. Yeah.
You ride with the big dog?
That's right.
Of course he ride with us. Hey, Mark, someone's on. Let's do it again. What you do? Uh-oh, Swole, he come after you. So where am I at right now,
Okay,
sir?
okay.
I'm in the truck.
But anyway,
Oh, yeah?
I still have a wife.
I got a wife.
You tired? How long you been up, y'all?
I've been up, me personally, like 3 days.
48 hours. How long you been up?
About 48 hours like the show, y'all be watching.
How long you been up?
Man, same thing, 48.
See, man, we ain't no punks over here, y'all. 48 hours.
We ain't no punks.
We ain't no punks over here, man. So if you're trying to be signed to Hammer, whatever, you need to go somewhere, you need to go to bed. You ain't being signed to us. We don't play. Hammer be in Australia, Japan, all over America. He's not playing. Not playing.
And you decide to do it alone.
What's up, man? You know what this is? It's Jamar. We out here in Detroit right now. Sound check right now. Beautiful weather. I love it.
Yeah, nice, huh?
Yeah.
Nice.
I thought what we had was over now.
Detroit, Michigan, y'all. This is real nice, man. The fair out here.
And this is the calm part. He said he worked for MC Hammer. Yeah, he pulling all the steps. Right. I said, no, I need to delete that.